Tashani, school districts are ramping up COVID testing here in the New Orleans public school system. They've already administered 3,000 COVID tests during the first 3 weeks of school, and they're taking those efforts even further. And the goal here is to make sure they can quickly identify a COVID case in order to move that student out of the classroom to lessen the risk and the impact to other students and staff. Now, the school district partnered up with the Department of Health, and now they are moving forward to offer additional testing, and they're offering cash incentives for each student every time that student is tested. The results of these tests are delivered to families electronically in 24 hours or less. Routine testing is already offered, but the cash incentive is an effort to get more students on board, and the testing is needed. The district has identified 740 COVID cases with nearly 4,700 people out on quarantine. This is something that we're seeing across the South. We're seeing those school districts seeing a spike in COVID cases in the classroom. Mississippi Department of Health reported more than 20,000 students out on quarantine, and these are schools that have only been in session for just a few weeks. Now, health leaders have indicated that the COVID spread we're seeing in the classroom is a reflection of COVID in the community. Now, some school districts are offering parents an option of virtual learning, but what we're seeing here in this community, that students are opting for the classroom opportunity. Tashani.
And Jamise, according to a recent report by the American Association of Pediatrics, Louisiana has the fastest growing rate of COVID cases in children. Outside of those precautions, are they also mandating that students wear a mask?
Tashani, that is the case. Students here in this district are required to wear a mask. That's a part of a mandatory mask mandate for the state. And as you mentioned, we are seeing those COVID cases rise among children. The 25% of all new COVID cases in the state are among children, and we're seeing the number of COVID cases in the classroom continue to rise. So, of course, they're hoping the mask will slow the spread. In New Orleans, I'm Jamise Price for BNC.